Here's a couple questions where you asked to simplify. Notice it's not a solve question, so I don't have to determine what A is, but I need to simplify this. If I have two fractions, I can simplify if I get a common denominator. In this question here, they already have a common denominator. If they do, I can write the whole equation over one denominator, and then simply add or subtract whatever I have on top. Since there's no subtract, I can just drop the brackets, 4 plus 3a over 3a plus 4. Notice that first one, if I rewrite it the other way, it'll be 3a plus 4 over 3a plus 4. And if I have 3a plus 4 over the exact same thing, then those will cancel out or simplify to be a factor of 1. So for this question, my answer would be 1. Another question, similar to that one, but in this case here, I don't have a common denominator, so I need to get one. First thing to do for that is to make sure that each denominator is factored. This first one isn't, so let's factor it. It's a trinomial, so I'm thinking two brackets like that, a y and a y. Two things that multiply to negative 20 add to negative 1. Probably a negative 5 and a positive 4. Just check that y squared plus 4 minus 5 would give me a minus 1. Minus 5 times 4 minus 20, that's right. Minus 2 times y plus 4. Okay, now I need to get a lowest common denominator. Once this one's factored, I can write both of those down as part of the common denominator. And then I'll look at the other one, and if it's the same, I don't need to write any more. If this one had been a different factor than one of these two, then I would have had to include another one over here. But since it's the same, this is my lowest common denominator. Okay, so what I need to do is to write this one out. It's already got the whole denominator, plus 4. It's already got the whole denominator there. This one, it has part of the denominator, but it doesn't have a y minus 5. So I have to multiply top and bottom by a y minus 5. Notice that if I were to take this away, it would be exactly the same as that. Or if I would cancel this, it would be this. I don't want to cancel it though, because I'm looking for that common denominator. So now that both have the same denominator, I can write one denominator, y minus 5, y plus 4. On the top I've got a y minus, and then 2 times y minus 5. Notice that I put that in brackets. Maybe I didn't need to, but I've got to remember that this minus 2 out front has to be multiplied by both things inside there. So this is a dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative. So it'd be y, and then minus 2 times y would be a minus 2y. And a minus 2 times a minus 5 would be a positive 10. That's the sign that most students mess up on. Over y minus 5, y plus 4. Feeling pretty good at this point. That's not a y squared, eh? No, it's just a y. So therefore, at the end, I've got y minus y would be a minus 1y plus 10 over the denominator y minus 5, y plus 4. So from here to here, I was just simplifying, collecting like terms on the top. And that would be my answer to that question simplified. All right, hopefully that helps you out with those two questions.